Come on, I'm over here. Sasha's almost 11 years old and she's going blind. She still likes to go on these walks with us. She just has to stay close to us so she can hear us and know where to go. She trips a little bit sometimes, but she does good. This one, 2 years old, has to walk on a leash because if she sees a squirrel or a bird or a deer, she will be gone. We're working on her though. Maybe someday she'll be able to walk out here without a leash. We'll just walk around the whole 14 acres. And just from holding on to this dog has worn me out. Sasha's easy. Are y'all happy now? Did you get what you wanted? Did you get what you wanted, sir? You girls get what you wanted? Are you happy? Coco? You go over there and eat. I'm brushing your sister. Rotten little sister, that's what you are. This is Coco. She was our first donkey. And she's older than Winnie, but she is smaller. So when we bought Coco, we then got Pepper over there, and he was quite a bit smaller when we brought him home. Hopefully that's as big as he gets. And then we went back and bought Coco's mama, Derby, who was pregnant with Winnie, the pest, the pesky little sister. Yeah. She's the little sister. She's 2 years younger, but she's bigger. She's bigger this way too. You can always tell Winnie because her tail, I guess it was broke in the womb, but it's crooked right there. But so the rest of it grows funny right there on the end. It looks different. Pepperoni, what are you doing, buddy? Get somewhere. I don't know what the people that lived here before us or the people that lived here before them did with their garbage, but we find pieces like this every time it rains, and then the donkeys stomp around in the mud. Pieces like this will work their way to the surface, so we try to pick them up and throw them away. Well, I'm tired. I walked Piper and Sasha through the woods back there in the back. Piper has worn me out. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more donkeys doing donkey stuff. And thanks for watching. Have a good day. I think all that rain we had the other day brought a lot of ants to the surface. That thing right there looks like a volcano.